Each of the numbers 2, 4, 6, all the way up until 50 is divided by 7. The remainders are recorded, which histogram displays the number of times each remainder occurs. Okay, we're only considering even numbers here. I think what we can do here, I can try find a pattern. I'm going to divide some even numbers up until 7 and see if I can find a pattern. I'm just going to use like a line here to separate the numbers we're dividing by and the remainders. If I divide 2 by 7, then the remainder is obviously 2. If I write 4, 6, 8, I'm just going to do some more even numbers here. 4 divided by 7, again we get remainder 4. 6 divided by 7, again we get remainder 6. 8 divided by 7, we get remainder 1. 10 divided by 7, we get remainder 3. This isn't helpful, I'm not seeing a pattern. Let's go a bit more. 12 divided by 7, I get remainder 5. 14 divided by 7, I get remainder 0, because it divides exactly. 16 divided by 7, I get remainder 2. Yes, now we got it. From 16 onwards, it's just going to repeat. So 18 would give me a remainder of 4, 20 would give me a remainder of 6, 22 would give me a remainder of 1. And it will just go on like that. So one cycle of these remainders, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 0, lasts for exactly 14 numbers. So if I do 50 divided by 14, I get 3. 14 times 3 gives me 42. Right, I get 3. So each of these numbers, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 0, each of these remainders occurs 3 times. And that makes sense too, because looking at the histograms, no number gets below 3. That's really helpful. Now I know that because 14 times 3 is equal to 42, I can just get rid of all of this stuff. I don't need it. And all I have to do now, I can just write some new numbers. Because we are starting on 42, I can write 44, 46, 48, and 50. And we'll take out the remainders of these when divided by 7. Over here we get a remainder of 2. Over here we get a remainder of 4. Over here we get a remainder of 6. And over here we get a remainder of 1. So every number occurs 3 times except 2, 4, 6, and 1, which occurs 4 times. Let's have a look here. 0 occurs 3 times, fine. 1 occurs 4 times, yeah. 2 occurs 4 times, yeah. 3 occurs 3 times, that's good. 4 occurs 4 times, good. 5 occurs 3 times. A looks perfect, but just to make sure, I'm going to check everything else. Over here, I can see that 3 appears 4 times in answer B, but I do not see 3 over here. That means that 3 must appear only 3 times. It can't be B. Over here again, 3 appears 4 times. It can't be C. And down here, I see that 6, it doesn't really show, but over here, it would say 6. That occurs 6 is meant to occur 4 times, sorry. I can see that 0 occurs 4 times over here, while I do not see 0 here, meaning the 0 must also occur thrice. Goodbye. That leaves me with my answer, which must be A.